So today I'll be showing you how to tag people on Instagram posts. So let's go ahead and make a post. So I'm just gonna tap on the new post button and then let me come here and add this post. And then I can tap on next. And then it's at this page where you write the caption. So let me just write a quick caption or Egerton Castle. Like that. Should be small L. Like that. So now it's at this point that you tag people in your post. Okay, so you have the option to tag people. Now you can just tag for the sake of tagging, or you can invite a collaborator. Okay, so if it's just tags, tap on add tags, and then you can search specific people. So let me search for this user, for instance, and I can tag that person. I can also tap an empty space or a specific area in that picture and tag another user like that. And you can see everybody I tag is going to be added to this list. Okay, and they'll get notifications telling them I've tagged them in a particular post. Some of them might have to approve that tag for it to appear, but as soon as you've finished adding the people you want to tag, you can just tap on the check mark in the top right corner, and you can see next to tag people it says 2 people. So then from there I can proceed to post my Instagram picture or post or Instagram reel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.